We are advised to practice at least 5 pranayamas every day. Bhastrika is done by breathing in and out like this. Long, deep breaths. Normally, it takes about 5 seconds to inhale and 5 seconds to exhale. If you do it faster, it takes about 2.5 seconds each way. Those who are fully healthy with no illness can do it quickly too. Like this. Ha 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 ha. But the head should stay steady. Your face should stay relaxed. Watch. No shaking the head. No straining the face. Don't do it like this. Do it slowly or fast, but correctly. Doing it for 2 minutes is called Bhastrika. What's its name? Children who practice Bhastrika will never have weak lungs. This is what we call the respiratory system. In Hindi, we call it Shwasan Tantra. If the respiratory system is strong, they won't suffer from colds, cough, phlegm, allergies, or asthma. When you do this, your body gets full oxygen. Right? And this increases our immunity, our disease-fighting strength. Immunity becomes stronger. Kapalbhati. Forcefully exhale the breath. From the root chakra to the crown, there are 8 chakras. How many chakras are in the body? Children, there are 8 chakras. Say it. 8 chakras. Kapalbhati is also very powerful. It keeps the stomach very healthy. This area is called the stomach. Below it are the intestines. Here are the intestines. On the right is the liver, and on the left is the spleen. Deeper inside are the kidneys. Yes, kidneys. There is also the prostate, uterus, and ovaries. All of this is inside the body. With Kapalbhati, everything inside becomes healthy. Where there is movement, there is energy. Where there is movement, what appears? Energy is created. So what is considered a good body? A broad chest, a flat stomach, a firm waist, and strong, well-shaped arms. Everyone wants beautiful arms. Everyone wants that. Right? A broad chest, a flat stomach, a firm waist, and each muscle. Should look fresh and alive, like petals of a flower. Everyone wants this. So who gets such a body? If you practice yoga and Kapalbhati, you will. It is very good, even better than Bhastrika. Kapalbhati works on the core. Bhastrika strengthens the lungs. And Kapalbhati strengthens the stomach and digestive system. Anulom Vilom balances the entire nervous system, the brain, and the mind. Sit straight, raise your right hand. Place your fingers in Vayu Mudra, like this. Do you know what Vayu Mudra is? These 5 fingers represent the 5 elements. The thumb is fire. Thumb is what? The index finger is air. Middle finger is space. Ring finger is earth. And the little finger is water. This is how Vayu Mudra is made. Touch the index finger to the base of the thumb. Lift the right hand, close the right nostril, and inhale from the left. Then from the right. Exhale, inhale from the heart center. Then release. Keep going. Do not stop. 5 minutes of Kapalbhati and 5 minutes of Anulom Vilom. Everyone has to do this. Sit straight. Close the right nostril, inhale from the left, then exhale from the right. Now inhale deeply. Exhale from the left. What is this pranayama called? Say it. Anulom Vilom. Left and right brain get activated through right and left nostril breathing. For Bhramari, place your fingers on the forehead. With 3 fingers, close the eyes, close the ears with your thumbs, keep the mouth closed. And make the humming sound. This is Bhramari and Ujjit Pranayama. Take a deep breath and chant Om. Now become calm, complete silence, total stillness, deep quiet. Bring your awareness to the Ajna chakra between the eyebrows. Focus the mind there. This concentration is called Dharana. Meditate on Om here. Visualize the form of the Om symbol. See the Om with its dot above, the complete sacred form. Om, the eternal sound. Om, Hum, Bram. Visualize the Om symbol clearly. Right at the Ajna chakra. Place your mind gently into that image. Om is the creator, the guide, the sustainer, the all-knowing, the protector, the powerful, the embodiment of truth, consciousness, bliss, present within everyone, always. The father, mother, friend, support of all beings, the source of all feelings, all strength, all peace, all joy, the ultimate source of knowledge, emotion, and power. Meditate on the divine in this way. Then raise both hands up. Offer your gratitude. Rub your hands together. Place them over your eyes and slowly open your eyes. This completes the practice. We did pranayama and meditation on Om, the practice of breath and Om Dhyana.